So if you cannot listen to any type of sound, or there is no sound on your Vivo mobile phones or any other Android mobile phone, then I will show you how you can solve or fix this issue by doing a simple thing. But let me tell you first, for some people this thing is going to work, and for some people this thing is not going to work on their mobile phones. But before starting the video guys, if this thing works on your mobile phone, then please hit the like and subscribe button on my channel. So guys, first of all we restart our mobile phone, and right now you can see guys that our phone has been restarted. And now after restart guys, we'll just click on music, and after clicking on music we'll just click on a music just to check out if it works or not. So right now it is playing, so that's it. You can see just by restarting the mobile phone the music is playing. So if you want to solve your sound issue, just restart it. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please hit the like and subscribe button on my channel. Thanks for watching.